Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I will talk about how to use a Taco Bell gift card to order your favorite meals and get them delivered through Doordash. Here is an important note. Taco Bell gift cards are designed for in-store or Taco Bell app purchases, so they can't be used directly on Doordash. But don't worry, there's a simple workaround. First, start by placing an order through the Taco Bell app or in-store and use your gift card to pay for the items you want. When checking out on the Taco Bell app, select the pickup option and choose a location near you. Once your order is ready, use DoorDash to hire a driver for delivery. Open the DoorDash app, create a custom order, and provide the Taco Bell location, pickup time, and any important details about your order. Be sure to include in the special instructions that the order has already been paid for through Taco Bell and is ready for pickup under your name. Once a driver accepts your order, you can communicate with them through the DoorDash app to ensure everything goes smoothly. And that's it, guys. While Taco Bell gift cards can be used directly on DoorDash, this method lets you enjoy your favorite meals at home with ease. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more useful tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.